cruise ship room tour. We're on the Majestic Princess. We're going from Seattle to Alaska. So, first thing here, you got a mirror to this side, closet. Got all our stuff hung up all nice. All our shoes. A lot of room here. I think there were, gosh, like 35 hangers. It's a lot. So plenty. No need to get any more. The bathroom here, watch your step, is for real. It's like high up. It's kind of a weird step down. But put all your things you would expect. Shower. We've got a generous storage area here where we have some hygiene items, deodorant and stuff. We have medicine for any kind of situation. I'm very prepared. So that is the bathroom. And the closet. And now we go into the main room. It's got a big old TV here. We got 2 drawers on each nightstand. Got our whole welcome swag. Check that out. I've got my desk here, which I've turned into a vanity. And we've got the extender plug situation going on. They have several ports for international plugs, but they have 2 for American plugs. So that one, and then there's one over here. And then my plug thing here has USB ports and all kinds of fun stuff. They do have 2 USB ports on this nightstand, but not on mine. So we have one here, and then I have this one going back behind the bed, so I can use it. I have a 10-foot charger cord, so no problems there. We'll make it work. We've got the seating area. Nice artwork there. Kind of reminds me of a phoenix. Couch. Little table. The balcony is out there, but it is, I think, 9 p.m. So there's nothing to show you. It is very dark. I will share many pictures, etc. later on. Over here is what I've called the snack station that we made. But I've got my binoculars, my tripod ready in case we see some cool stuff. You've got your breakfast menu if you want to have a breakfast come at a certain time. You can fill that out. We did go to Marshall's and get a bunch of clearance snacks, and that's what we filled the snack thing with. So we got some bigger snacks up here, and we also got these chip clips for $1 at Marshall's, so that way we can close these snacks. You can bring, at least on the Princess, you can bring unlimited snacks, so however many you want, and their only rule is really about drinks. So we did bring unlimited snacks. In fact, we did bring this many snacks. You never know, okay? Anyhow, this drawer originally just had a blow dryer in it, and I wanted to unplug the blow dryer, but you can't. They make it so you can't unplug it. So what I did was I took it out of the drawer, but see, the cord's still there, as you can see. As long as the cord doesn't get in the track, you can use the drawer totally normal. It totally closed all the way. Like, you wouldn't even know there's a blow dryer cord. So what I found was you just keep that cord there. You wrap the blow dryer around the end here, and they can just hang. And so even if you're going to use the blow dryer, you can do this to give yourself space. I'm not going to use the blow dryer. I'm using dry shampoo only. No washing my hair this trip. And here we've got the fridge. So far, we just got some waters. But I've got some face and eye masks in here. All nice and cool. Yeah. So that is our room here. We are on Dolphin Deck, room 329. So we're on the 9th floor is the Dolphin Deck. So if you're going to be in a summer location on the Majestic Princess, your room might be like this. We also have the magnetic fan, because like I said, everything here is magnetic. Like, we stuck the clips up, the fan is magnetic, and you can put it wherever you want. So we put it on the ceiling. So yeah, pretty cool find. It's on Amazon. It's a cruise ship fan. If you search for that, you'll find it. But yeah, there's our room tour. Hopefully this is helpful to you and or interesting.